Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your Whirlpool washing machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start your Whirlpool washing machine. You just got a new one, you just moved into a new home. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to start your Whirlpool washing machine, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to load up the laundry detergent and softener. So this is where you're going to load up your softener, and this is where you're going to load up your laundry detergent. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and set the mode. So most of my time when I do laundry, I normally just set it to normal. You want to press this power button, and then afterwards, you want to press hold to start in order to actually start your Whirlpool washing machine. So once you click on hold to start, you're going to see these buttons line up or light up, and then you want to let go. And there you have it. It's now going to go ahead and start. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start your Whirlpool washing machine. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.